experiencing the full impact of music and movies, deep, powerful bass is essential. To improve bass output, speaker enclosures often incorporate a port, which lets air flow freely in and out of the box. This puts the sound inside the cabinet to work, helping to deliver louder, clearer bass. When a lot of air flows quickly through the port, that airflow can abruptly change, causing chuffing sounds and other distortion. And when a port is noisy, the energy used to produce that noise is no longer producing the intended sound, bass. Polk's patented PowerPort technology solves these issues in a few ways. Our original PowerPort reduces air turbulence by guiding airflow into the listening space using flares and a diffuser. This promotes a more streamlined flow, which creates less port noise, letting the speaker deliver cleaner bass. The tube-shaped port can also behave like an organ pipe, creating resonances that can mask mid-range sounds. Xport has a set of closed-pipe resonators called Eigentone filters, which are tuned to absorb unwanted port and cabinet resonances. When the open end of these tubes is placed in the center of the port, the resonances of the port and the filters are in opposite polarity, so they cancel each other out. Because there's less port resonance, bass output is cleaner. Polk's PowerPort 2.0 combines our PowerPort technologies for the best of both worlds. PowerPort's carefully engineered port design reduces the flow of air as it exits the cabinet, and Xport eliminates cabinet and port resonances. Together, PowerPort technologies deliver cleaner, tighter bass and a more detailed mid-range. But no matter which version of PowerPort your Polk speaker has, you'll hear louder, cleaner bass that brings deeper thrills to your favorite music and movies.
Your world of entertainment starts with the pristine sound of Sony CS speakers. Perfect for listening to your favorite music in lifelike 2-channel stereo. Or add 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos surround sound for the ultimate home theater experience. From the subtle to the most epic moments, high-res audio clarity meets wide directionality and powerful bass response, bringing 75 years of audio component mastery to your favorite entertainment. Fast action, intense drama, and everything in between. It all starts with well-balanced sound in front of you, while every bit of dialogue and vocal subtlety is perfectly centered for maximum clarity. Then come the rear bookshelf speakers to bring depth and distance, creating the ideal surround sound experience. Then the subwoofer hides in plain sight, bringing low-end intensity. And for sound on high, Dolby Atmos toppers push sound overhead to you. Hear movies and music like you never have before, because your favorite entertainment starts with Sony CS speakers.